Chances are you live a busy life. You feel you don't have the time to exercise. There are many effective exercises you can do, but won't take hours to see or feel some results. We'll go into them here. Walking. Going on a brisk walk each day can burn up to 500 calories if you walk for an hour. And, since you need to burn 3,500 to lose a pound of weight, you can easily lose a pound a week. You can enjoy walking as one beginning to exercise, or if you are very fit. Walking is an activity that provides a good workout. Be sure to be careful not to do too much too quickly. Start out by walking 5 to 10 minutes, and slowly move up to 30 minutes each time you go walking. You will also want to extend how long you walk prior to increasing the incline of your walk or the speed at which you walk. Interval training. Use interval training to your cardiovascular exercises. Doing so can help increase how quickly you lose weight as well as boost your fitness level. While walking, rather than staying at the same pace, you can begin jogging to increase the intensity of your workout. After you have jogged for a minute or two, slow back down to your previous pace. After 5 to 10 minutes, begin jogging again. Continue this switch between walking and jogging during your workout. Be sure to end by walking so your body has a chance to cool down. Squatting. You may not realize that the more muscle you have, the more calories you may be able to burn. While doing squats, you work a number of muscles groups at once: quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Be sure to use the correct technique or you could injure your knees. The correct form is to try sitting in a chair, but it's taken away before you touch it. You can put an actual chair there, but barely touch it. Lunges. Similar to doing squats, doing lunges works all of the muscle groups below the waist. Doing lunges is similar to walking, only that the movements are exaggerated. Along with working out the muscles, you'll also improve your balance. Push-ups. Where lunges and squats work out the lower body, push-ups work out the chest, shoulders, triceps, and trunk muscles at the same time. Of course, if you've never done push-ups, you won't start out on the floor. Instead, begin by pushing off from the kitchen counter, moving to a desk, chair, and the floor with bent knees. Then, and only then, you can do the push-ups on the floor. Each of these exercises are effective and do not require hours to do. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.